Can you feel the energy and optimism the cloud has created? Its impact on everything from the way healthcare is delivered to how we order dinner. And this is just the beginning. The door to our digital future with the cloud is just starting to open. Join thousands of CXOs June 28th to 30th in San Francisco, California at Cloud Wars Expo to explore this digital future and discover ideas, insights, and relationships that can make it real. We will consider what is possible, challenge tradition, and surround ourselves with a new kind of analyst. An analyst for the acceleration economy that focuses less on quadrants and waves and more on what really matters. How the cloud, AI, cybersecurity, and data can redefine expectations, create new business models, and deliver an optimized digital future. Join Bob Evans, founder of Cloud Wars and co-founder of the Acceleration Economy Analyst Network, and dozens of our real-world CXO analysts that will be leading us into the digital future June 28th to 30th in beautiful San Francisco, California at the Moscone Center. Register today at cloudwarsexpo.com. And let's boldly imagine what is possible together with optimism and hope for our digital future.